it.
You can't do it.
Oops, sorry. Am I too far back?
No, you don't like marshmallows.
Dylan, what's the website where you get all the fingering?
Cordy. C-H-O-R-D-I-E.
Sit down, sweetie.
I
I know. Sit down. Sit down.
There's also Ultimate Guitar.
These guys get on Ultimate Guitar or Cordy.
I know. I know. Sit down.
But I don't.
Those are really simple ones. There are ones that you can pay for.
Sit down, please.
Huge library, really accurate ones.
I know. Sit down.
If you're looking to do Beatles songs or Bob Dylan songs, you go to DylanChords.info.
What? No, you can't get that, sweetie.
Dylan, do they charge you for? Is it a subscription thing with that?
Cordy and Ultimate Guitar are free.
Okay.
Ultimate Guitar, I think you have to pay for some things, but
Marshmallows. He's toasting marshmallows.
Or is it a pay?
Sit down first.
nothing, you don't have to pay anything.
You said there were some things you had to pay for. Would it be would you do a subscription to it?
I think it'd be like
Says Chazbo.
There you go.
I don't know. I'm not signed up to one. I haven't found